Okay, apparently the engine starting up didn't come out on the video, so we'll start it up now. The engine is, as you see from the temperature, is ice cold. All I did is pull it out 20 minutes ago from the garage a few feet. No engine noises, no smoke, nothing like that. Oil pressure is good, and I'm going to give it some gas. The motor is strong, and I will send this clip to you as well. While I'm here, I'll take a little better shot of the interior maybe. Okay. This is that houndstooth material I was talking about earlier. And the headliner is really nice. They did a nice job. I didn't restore it. I bought this done. I don't have the ability. And the dash pad is, I mean, basically everything's been replaced with OEM correct items. You see no trace of rust anywhere whatsoever. And that's it. Thank you.